Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be highlighting the differences between a coin and a token. Even though both these terms are often used interchangeably, they refer to two entirely different concepts. It is worth noting that these two terms are different in many aspects. Even seasoned retailers can't draw distinctions between the two. So let us learn this concept together. Let us start with the basics. What are coins? Coins refer to cryptocurrencies built on their independent blockchain network. Bitcoin has its native blockchain network. Ether, Ripple, and Litecoin also have their individual blockchains as well. What are tokens then? Tokens are cryptocurrencies that don't have a blockchain network of their own. Instead, they are built on another digital coin's blockchain. Think of coins as the foundation of a structure, and tokens are like the structure you build on top of that foundation. Ethereum blockchain is the most popular choice for creating a token because it supports smart contracts. If you want me to make a video on smart contracts, please feel free to write in the box down below. Most of the digital tokens found today are ERC20 tokens, since the Ethereum platform easily enables creating tokens on top of the Ethereum blockchain. To develop, you'll have to spend a part of your coins. For example, if the token is of the ERC20 type, the developer will need to spend Ether in order to induce the Ether miners to confirm the operation. Where digital coins are basically used like the physical coins for exchange of value, tokens can be designed to serve an array of purposes, like the non fungible tokens or the NFTs, which represent unique items, or the utility tokens, which are designed to provide access to a particular service or product, or the security tokens, and many other such tokens exist. Making tokens helps you save time and resources. It is much easier than creating coins as you don't need to mine tokens using complex hardware machinery. Also, take note of the fact that coins can be used to buy tokens, but tokens cannot be used to buy coins. When talking about tokens versus coins, it is worth noting that they share one significant similarity. They are both high risk investments that can give you grand rewards. This is what makes them appealing. But never forget to do your research before investing in anything. So, there you have it, people. My aim is to create short videos packed with information for everyone's benefit, and consider subscribing if you do like the concept. That is it for this video. Take care and stay safe. See you in the next one.